start. Okay, the back. So here's the USB key. Then we insert the key first. Of course, handle, and cartridge. So we'll turn on the machine first. The system has intelligent inspection of the parts. So they say no transducer or no cartridges, and you can touch nothing on the screen. Then we insert the cartridge. The system will detect the cartridges and would show the shots. Sorry, this is a sample cartridge. The shots, total shots and shots left, and the depth of the cartridge. Then we press start treatment and we enter into the main interface. See, these numbers on face, are the recommended shot lines on each area. Take this for example, 40, and for each shot, this will count down. When the shots reach 40 and it will stop. Okay, of course you don't need to select every area if you just shot one by one. See, there's the tips instructions will be here. If we pull out the handle, circulation for that means the system cannot detect the handle. There's a problem with the handle or connection or wires. When we insert the handle, it will be normal, and of course USB key, intelligent. Okay, so we start the treatment and we select all. We don't need to select the areas, and we adjust the energy. This is the width, sorry, the length. Length means the width of the shot lines. So we just keep it 25 millimeters. It's the max length of the cartridge, and we adjust the energy, and of course here's the distance, means space between two dots. This distance between two dots will automatically increase or decrease when you adjust the energy. Let's take this for example. It's 0.85, and see the distance will increase to 1.2. 1.4. This function is used to avoid damage on skin when the energy is too high and the distance between two shots is small, and the dot will collect to a line. See, and we check this for 给我一个3.0的亚克力片，3.0的。I'll give a shot to show what I mean on the energy and the relationship between energy and distance. 3.0. Okay, it's 3.0. And about the water. The water is, can you see it? Okay, see, this is not full. This is not full. There should be air inside because of the pressure inside and outside should be same too. If not the same, the membrane will be broken. See, if we shot like this, see, no water, air this, and there will be just dots here, and no dots. That is what you mean, no energy. Actually, when we do the treatment on skin, it will be like this, and water will be full in the cartridge, and no problem on energies. So we'll give it a shot. So we're using 3.0 acrylic plate, and see, no water is not full, and we do it like this. Stand by and shot. See, and we give another shot with half water and half air. See, no energy if air inside, but we'll do like this. Okay, this whole 9, this complete 9.5, because there's air when the transducer goes here. Okay, so this is the distance. So if we use a high energy, like we use the max, this is the max, and gel. Okay, so it's automatically, actually the distance automatically increased to the max. And see, we will give a shot. Well, see the dots. It's so big, and there's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 dots in one line, because the total length is 25 millimeter, and the space between two shots is 2.2 millimeter, and total 11 dots in one line. But if we use the minimum space, there will still be 25 dots in one line, because the space distance is 1, and it will turn to be a completely line, not dot. See the 2 lines, this one is the max, 2 lines are all using the max energy, and this is automatically distance 2 millimeter, and this, okay, see, a line, no space between 2 dots, and no space for the heat. When a dot is inside the skin, no space for the heat to relaxation, heat relaxation, and that's dangerous for skin. This would be a whole line, like a laser cutting. It's like a HIFU cutting. It's very dangerous. And if we recommend use just adjust the energy, and the distance will change automatically to protect the skin. And if you want instructions on each area, just click these eye areas around the eyes, and there will be instructions. That means this area we recommend 10 shots, and we give 10 shots, and this area will turn, the color of this area will change after the 2 of 10, 3 of 10, 4, 5, 6. Okay, finished. That means this area is finished and you cannot click. Have to select another area and give shots. And all the area finished, all will turn green, screen color. It's green color. Okay. And so after you finish the treatment, clean this, and never give a shot without gel on skin, and it will break the membrane of the cartridge. Here's 8.0 millimeter for body, and as the treatment area on body is really large, and you don't have to click as everything, just shot 1 line by 1 line, and the other functions are the same. And sometimes if you think the energy is not enough, even with the maximum energy, and in the system we can adjust the output of the cartridge. Each cartridge, like takes the 8.0 for example, press this area, keep this area pressed for 3 seconds. Okay, this is the energy correction interface. See, when we insert the area, insert a cartridge, this means we are using the 8.0 cartridge, and this number is the initial energy level of this cartridge, and we can increase or decrease, and press OK. Ready, and when it shows OK, that means the initial energy level this cartridge is 8, and we can increase to 10 if you think it's not enough, even with the max energy 1.2 joules, but usually it's enough. Okay.